Hello devs, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are diving into one of the core concept of JavaScript named object. So, firstly, what is an object? Object is a collection of properties. So, let us take an object. For example, a mobile is an object. How do you define a mobile? What are the properties of mobile? um, RAM, internal storage, and camera and battery. So these are the properties of a mobile object. Mobile is an object, and these are the properties of the object. Okay, and for example, let us take a car. Car is an object. Okay, what are the properties of a car? Color, uh, torque, and max speed, maximum speed, and mileage. So these are the properties of a car. Car is an object, and these are all the properties. So this is this is object and its properties. So let us take in JavaScript. Let us take an object. In JavaScript, we can initialize the object in two different ways. So I am initializing object one, and you can initialize using curly braces, or you can initialize object 2 using new keyword followed by object method. So you can use both for creating an object. Let us um, log the type of. Let us check whether it is an object or not. Log console.log and type of my object 1. Let us run the code. Node and index is my file name, so run the code. It is actually type of, you can see this is object. So my object 1 is type object type, and also check object 2, and you can see object. So object 1 is my object, is also object 2 also object. So how to add properties? You can also add in two different ways to the properties to the object. So I am adding to the object 1. For now I am deleting object 1. I'm deleted object 1. So okay, I'm rename the object 2 as mobile, and this is my object mobile. So I want to add properties to the mobile object. So mobile dot brand. Brand is one of the property of mobile, and brand is, let's take Apple. and I'm also add mobile dot color. Let's stay black, and mobile, let's stay mobile dot am I adding ram means let's take 12 GB, and storage, mobile dot storage, let's take 1 TB. um, Also camera, okay, let's take 50 MP. So these are the some of my properties of mobile. So I added all the properties to the mobile object and simply log my mobile. I'm clearing my console and run again, and you can see all the properties are added to my object mobile. So you can also add um, in two different ways. So using dot followed by property name, and you can also add property mobile using square brackets, and in quotations we have to pass our property name, year of manufacture. Let's take model model 15 Pro. So we can also add using square brackets and also using dot notation. So I'm logging again my mobile, run again, and you can see my model 15 Pro. So in both ways you can add properties to the object. I'm creating an another object, car. So you can also take properties inside the object itself. So I'm taking car. This is my car object, and initialize my object using curly braces, and I'm passing all the properties within the object. So company, let's take Ford, color, take white. Let's take another object, mileage. let's, let's say 20, and let's take year of manufacture 1020. So I added all the property within my object itself. So I am logging my car object, and you can see I'm clearing my console, run again, and you can see this is my car object. Now I'm clearing logs. Now if I want to access some particular property from an object, so if I want only color from the car object, now you can access the properties using car dot color. So I'm clearing my console, and you can see, yeah, car dot color is white, so it's logged white. So if I want mileage, um, mileage, run again, you can see 20 is my mileage. And if I want um, RAM from my mobile object. So I'm passing my mobile object mobile dot RAM. Log again. You can see 12 GB is my RAM. So this is how you can access properties of the object.